Hey everyone, we're back with another update. This one is really exciting and jam-packed with important information. Make sure you watch it from beginning to end. In our last update video, we introduced a couple of early access testers we're collaborating with. In this video, we'll introduce a couple more. First up, we have Jason Lee from Driver's Paddock. We've collaborated with Jason on multiple previous videos and a oil pan installation video more recently. He is currently driving around with a pre-production oil pan on his 2024 Subaru BRZ TS. Next, we have Mann over at NUMMI Racing. He is fielding a first generation Scion FRS with a FA24 swap in the Lucky Dog Endurance series. We're very excited to work with Adam because he tears down his engine on a yearly basis, and we'll be getting some endurance racing data as well as a closer look at the engine internals at the end of the season of testing. Our last early access tester needs no introduction. He has been collecting data on this platform from the very beginning and brought this conversation to the surface of many forums and to the car world. It is none other than 900 BRZ. We're very happy to be collaborating with him. He is currently running an A6 challenge in California, and he'll be continuing to collect data with his vehicle in California. We already got some data from Sonoma as well as Laguna Seca. The data came back quite positive from our standpoint. We're very happy to be collaborating with Brian as he continues to collect more data through the A6 challenge season. There's a couple other pre-production oil pans in circulation. They are either being installed or in transit to the rest of our early access testers, and we'll be announcing them in a next video update. On the topic of oil pressure data and early access testers, we have a mountain of data that we have collected, some of which have already been shared by our early access testers in their respective channels. Please take a look at the videos that are linked in our description. As more data becomes available, we will be sharing them, as well as our early access testers will be sharing them in their respective YouTube channels and social medias. On the manufacturing side of things, we have narrowed down our vendor selection and have found a very promising vendor in the United States who's able to meet our price, quality, and performance targets. We're really excited to work with them. And with that, we are taking this opportunity to make some design tweaks for better performance on the final production version of the oil pan. With that said, this is going to require new tooling to be made, which is a significant upfront capital investment. This is where we really need your help. We really need to understand the demand of this oil pan, and we need commitment from at least 50 orders to fund the new tooling costs. As a thank you to the first 50 orders, we'll be discounting the price to $649 with a coupon code that you'll see on the screen. Once the first 50 orders are claimed, the rest of the pre-order will be priced at $749. Once the pre-order window is closed, this oil pan will retail for $879. So this is how it's going to work. By the time this video goes live, we would be opening our storefront and our website, where all of the product description as well as the pricing information that was just shared will be available. Next, we will be working behind the scenes to be able to take pre-orders as well as sort out our shipping logistics. And lastly, sometime in the future, we will be announcing the pre-order start date and sharing it in all of our socials. To not miss out on any pre-order information, make sure you follow us on all of our socials. That's it for this one. Thank you everybody who's been part of this journey and the community for your support. It's been an amazing and humbling journey so far.
was easy.